A rainy afternoon here at Sanders. We're spending the afternoon enjoying ourselves and ordered some shakes, spaghetti, and sandwich. Yummy chocolate wrap. My manager's spaghetti. I just don't know where is the manager, if it's a boy or a girl. Thank you. Choco Frap. Sanders is located near La Salle, so you can expect that most of the customers here are either students or medical representatives, maybe doctors, nurses working at the hospital right across. Thank you. That's our bread. Yay! Comfort food at affordable prices. Come to Sanders along North Drive. Actually, this restaurant is owned by a friend of mine. Hi, friends. Hope to see you soon. Your chicken sandwich?
Very warm.
Very warm. And
I think it's only 55 pesos.
for 55 pesos, a student price. So very friendly, affordable prices. And
Travelers on a shoestring. Same.
okay, traveling on a budget, this is the place to be. Okay, it's good. Yes, I also believe that mango shake is best. See, they've done it already.
Waiting for the second.
I'm waiting for the second mango shake.
Look, it's a very cheap hangout place. Has of course the typical range of omelets and breakfast like famos,
The usual?
casino, the usual. But they have also spare ribs, etc. for around 110 pesos.
Try that.
And the portions are very generous. Staff is very friendly. The usual control, venting the place, getting rid of the oil smell out. But especially on a rainy day, take that into account, and it's a little bit hidden just across the North Medical Hub.
Medical.
There is another Nana's or Nina's cafe next to it. But anyway, yeah, it's a good place. A few tables here, maybe around 9-10 tables.
Nice and cozy place.
Masarap.
Namit.
Mit.
Meat namit. Shake is so good that we ordered a second shake.
Con na. Kabong.
Sanders. Pila tanan?
350. Sorry, 340.
Tanan?
Oo.
Oh, good. 344.
And then you
All
can
of these. Okay, so show me the bill. 340.
Okay.
May kwarta ka pa? Shin?
Daoshin. Tatlo
200, 300,
300. Cinquando.
50,
Cinquando.
50,
50. Ventos.
20. 20.
20.
May kwarta.
Dalawa, tatlo,
Isa, duha.
4, 5. So, 100.
Shin.
450.
400. Makabayad ka pa. May kwarta pa.
Kwarta.
May kwarta ka pa. Okay pa na. Pwede pa na. Pwede pa na.
Oo.
Bayad na to. Bayad na.
350.
Okay, bayad na.
Kabulok ko. Hindi ko kabulok.
This is John Mark and Sanders, and see you soon again in our next stop. Bye bye for now.